Let's come back to this chapter again with the second video. You must have heard the first video very carefully and tried to understand what I was saying in the video 1. So we'll continue with the same chapter from hunting, gathering to growing food with the Neolithic age again, as I explained you earlier also. Neo means new, lithic means stone. So we did that it was the age of the beginning of farming. We also studied about the domestication, and then we studied about the invention of wheel, where I explained you that they must have seen some stone or a log of wood rolling down, and these gave them idea. This inspired them to invent wheel, which is an important discovery of the Neolithic age. Very important discovery of the Neolithic age. Wheel is believed to be have been invented sometimes during this Neolithic age. This invention of wheel changed the life of early men in number of ways. It allowed him to travel faster from one place to another place. It also allowed him to transport objects more easily, right? And because of the invention of wheel, a lot of more things came into existence that we'll again discuss in this video only. But first we will take up the topic better tools, as you have studied in the previous video also, that in Paleolithic age what kind of tools were used by these people. Then we talked about the microliths that were used in the Mesolithic period. But now, children, in this Neolithic age, better tools, more developed tools came into existence. For example, sickle, which was not used earlier. Number of farming knives. Rough plows were also came into existence. Earlier, even sharp axes were there. Earlier, spear and saws were used. Of course, they remained there, but in a better way. As agriculture became a very important part of the life, Neolithic man began to feel that they should have refined tools made with the handle also. Farming grew larger when farming was increasing. Man began using implements such as sickle, as I told you, for sickles, yes, very good, and knives, which is known as reaping knives, and to help him harvest crops. He started plowing his field with rough plows before planting the seeds. They also designed number of sharp axes for cutting trees and clearing forest for settling down. Now children, if the people have to settle down, they had to clear forests, which is not possible if they did not have a better quality of tools. So when these sharp axes were made, they were able to cut down the trees, clear the wild grasses, and they could have more land for agriculture as well as for making their staying. Like if they want to make a hut or they want to make a temporary house to live, then these sharp axes were very important to help them. Even the sickle also, when the crop was harvested, it was easy to cut the crop with the help of sickle. And this rough plow which they made themselves was very helpful for them, because with the help of this rough plow plow, they were able to level the land. So if the seeds have to be sown, big stones can be removed from there, better land was there, better soil was there, so it became little easier for them to do the farming because of all these tools. Otherwise it was difficult for them to do the farming on a large scale. So by clearing the forest they could get more land for the farming, and by these tools they were able to grow more grains, more land, more grains, more crops. This helped them to sustain in a better way. Now children, when the amount of the grain grow became larger as the more farmland was available because of these better tools. And children, one more thing I have forgotten, they started using mortar and pestle, जिसको आप घर में you speak in Hindi हमाम दस्ता, that also you use in your houses, that also came into existence because they were growing lot of crops. So now they knew how to crush them also. Now as I told you that invention of wheel was responsible for number of more discoveries, and one of them was pottery. Now children, as these human beings were growing lot of crops, grains, and amount was so large, so they knew that they had to store it. So they started making these kinds of pots, and making of pot is known as pottery. And how it became possible? Because of the potter's wheel. And from where this wheel came? This wheel had come from this invention of wheel that happened in Neolithic period. So children, in this period the people understood the need of storing. So when they felt the need of storing, they started making these pots. So what did they store in this? They stored all the grains here. They stored in the pits also, baskets also, and pots also. And when they started making the pots, they started making the vessels also. And in this vessels, they used to started storing milk also, water also, and even the pieces of meat also. So the potter's wheel, so I summarize this pottery. The potter's wheel seemed to have been invented during the Neolithic age, and people started growing their own food. They began feeling the need to store the grains and seeds. So they stored food grains in the woven baskets or pits in the ground. They started even making the vessels out of clay to store water, grains, milk, or meat. A number of handmade wheel or wheel-made, handmade as well as wheel-made earthen pots have been discovered in Neolithic sites, which suggests that they were also used for cooking food. Now children, see, just the invention of wheel had made it possible to cook, for the cooking of food also, because fire was also discovered, but they did not know about vessels or the pots. But when, due to the invention of the wheel, pottery came into existence, fire was already there, so these people started cooking the food also. So but children, at the same time one more thing happened, that is weaving. Around this time people also learned how to weave clothes using different kind of materials like cotton. Children, there is evidence of cotton being grown in Mehergarh about 7,000 years ago. Now see children, one invention of one thing has given rise to so many things. Pottery, weaving, cooking. This all started because of only one invention, that is invention of wheel, right? So now children, in this video number 2, we have covered a large part of the chapter. In video number 3, we'll again do the little what should I say, recapitulation of what we have discussed, right? Then beginning of a settled community. The tribe has been removed from your chapter, but I will explain you in a short to understand the whole chapter, and then we will do the difference between the Neolithic age and the Paleolithic age. So children, now we'll speak about this in video number 3.